Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. You click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Grammarly and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.